Welcome back to Unbox.
Welcome back.
It's getting hot.
How can you tell? Shorts?
You can
check. Flip-flops?
Flip-flops.
Check.
We don't have air conditioning in the main room here. Just if you're noticing a little flush, but we still have boxes.
We do. Those won't stop.
Show must go on.
Despite the weather. This one's a nice light box.
It's a small one.
Aren't these just the cutest little things?
Oh, they stuck together. As they do.
There must be magnets.
There must be magnets. Let's see. Look at this. Okay. Well, which way is up, Allison? Z, X, Y. Any way could be up, which is why it's important to have one of these. Because you can hold it in your hand and you can think about which way should be up. Should it be this way? 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 These do follow the right-hand rule, and here's something important that you learn about them. Red, green, blue. RGB XYZ. So these are things that we made. You can see they have a magnet on them. And you can stick them on anything. You can stick them up on the wall. You can stick them on your robot. That way when you look at it, you can tell which way is which.
Very important. Colors and letters.
Yes, this is the continuing process of making robotic arts and crafts swag. We are untouchable in that category anywhere in the world, I promise you. If you see someone staring at one of these, do not interrupt them. They are concentrating very deeply on some spatial and some vectors. Just wait until they put it down and go about their business. If you want one of these, if you have to have one, hit us up, let us know. Maybe we'll send you one.
How can you not?
Cool. Well, we'll catch you next time. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.